Hey lovers of life, how you all doing? Happy blessed Sunday to you all. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you how I make this simple yummy pineapple juice. Guys, it's very simple to make if you use this method. So guys, let's jump right into the video. Thanks my old and new subscribers, you guys are amazing. May God richly bless you all.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same.
So this is the pineapple I will be working with. So I'll be using two of them. Then I will be using this ginger. Yeah, a whole of this. That's what I'll be using. So we'll start by peeling the pineapple first. I've already washed it. It's very clean. So we'll start by peeling the pineapple first. So let's get into it. So I'm done. Point, everything is ready. I add more ginger to it. This is the ginger, so we'll start juicing it right now. So this is the juice from the pineapple and the ginger. So I'll add it to my jar and store it in the fridge. You see, so easy. If you don't have this, you can make use of blender. Then after that you can stream it. So this is what came out. It's better this way than buying in the supermarkets, you know. So that's it.